Hey guys, and welcome back to my Christmas Vlogmas videos. Today we have a longer video, but I'm gonna show you some very traditional German cookies for Christmas. So I think you're gonna really enjoy this video. Stay tuned. You wanna start out with some flour in a bowl. You wanna add a little bit of baking soda and then mix that together. Next, you want to add your sugar. Pinch of salt. And some vanilla extract. Lastly, you want to add some rum flavor. Then you want to go ahead and melt your butter. And you want to add your egg. And now you can mix it all together and start kneading your dough. So this is what the dough should look like in the end. You want to go ahead and take one bit of it off, separate it. Now you want to add your cocoa powder to 1/2, as well as a little bit more sugar and some milk. And now you want to knead that dough again. So in the end, you have a dark dough and a lighter colored dough. Just like that. Now we decided to do two different things with these, so we divided them into two parts again. Now we rolled out the first part of the light dough, and then also the first part of the dark dough, and you want to make sure that the size and shape are very similar in the end. Now you want to take your egg whites and you want to distribute a good amount over this dark dough. Then you want to put the light one right on top and press it down a little bit and add some more of the egg whites. Now you want to go ahead and roll it into a very tight roll. You want to be very careful and make it nice and tight. And we'll come back to that later. Next up, we're gonna divide this second dough bits into 3 parts each, and then rolling it in between your hands, you wanna make little squares with that, or little, I don't know how to call these, but you can see it right here. You wanna press them into a square form with a knife or anything similar. And then you want to start putting your egg whites on the sides to glue them together, basically. So you want to start with a dark one, then add a lighter one, and then you want to add a dark one to the side again, and then you can build the next layer on top. So now you want to start with a light one on top of a dark one and do the same thing again. Here you can see what it should look like in the end, and then you want to really press them together nicely so they stick together. Then you can roll them around a little bit to get them into shape, and you're ready to cut. And you can see that now you get really interesting looking little cookies. They look like a little chess table. And you can turn them around like that so they don't get flat on one side. You get nice even squares. Now back to the first roll we made. You want to roll it a little bit, and then you want to cut those as well. And you will get a different pattern with these. And again, you can roll the dough while cutting it so they don't get triangular. And lastly, you want to bake those with 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. No, it's 160 degrees Celsius. I will put it down below so you can go and check that out. And they do get a little bit bigger in size, so leave enough room. And they're very delicious, so I hope you try these very traditional cookies. I love them, and I hope you do so too. Bye!